Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raven and I have a special guest here with me right now because she's being needy, so I'm going to have to hold her while I'm doing this. But anyways, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my homemade peanut butter cake. It's so delicious. Being a mom, you learn how to do all sorts of things with one hand. So anyways, keep watching if y'all want to see how I make my peanut butter cake. So I'm just go ahead and go over the list of the ingredients that you guys are gonna need, and of course I'm gonna have it listed in the link below. So you're gonna need flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, milk, vanilla extract, or whatever, any kind of vanilla, 2 eggs, peanut butter, of course, butter, and I think that's it. But let me make sure. Oh, and then also, like, as far as the icing, you guys can either make your own homemade peanut butter icing, or just put any type of icing you want on it. I just put vanilla icing on it, because my boyfriend doesn't like too much peanut butter. So if you want, I could just link the peanut butter icing below. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and do that for you guys. So starting off, I have my measuring cup. You guys are gonna need 2 cups of flour. So after that, then you're going to need to stir your dry ingredients together. Then next, you're going to need to put your wet ingredients on the stove. So I have my pot on medium heat right now. I have my 2 sticks of butter melting. So after that, you're going to need to add a cup of water and a cup of peanut butter.